what's going on? YouTube Collider, aka Smoove Flipper. Try this vlog thing one more time, see how this works out for us. So basically this morning's been pretty good. I actually made a little under $430, so $429 after shipping expenses and all that. I sold 3 Google Pixels. I had some brand new Google Pixels that I bought over the weekend and ended up selling them. I just listed them today and sold all 3 of them today, so that's a plus. Right now I'm gonna head to pick up some phones. I got a deal with, I think, 2 iPhone X's, two iPhone X's, and this person's pretty desperate, so I'm gonna get there, and we've already agreed to a price, but I'm gonna see if I can lower it on them a little bit, because they were calling me constantly, and they were like, "Hey, I gotta meet after meet." So we're gonna see how that works out, and stay tuned. Hi, buddy. Alright guys, so I'm at the Starbucks. You guys can see in the back. I'm about to go inside and pick up these phones. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully there's no misunderstandings as far as the carrier and everything. And hopefully I can pick these phones up. So I'm gonna let you guys know, you know, what I paid for each one and what I'm gonna sell them for in the next clip. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back. Picked up the 3 iPhone X's. They were new condition. Ended up paying, let me go back to it. I paid $650 a piece. So I paid $650 a piece. They were new, so I for new phones, what I always suggest you guys do is buy them as bad ESN finance. Even if they came back clean, but I still buy them as a finance. Just so you guys know, that's how I do it, just to keep myself safe. You know, a lot of phones, newer phones that people get and try to sell, aren't paid off. They probably, you know, didn't update as far as the financial status of the phone, so it would probably be, you know, financed next month when that payment is not made. So just keep that in mind when you guys are buying brand new phones. But I got them. There's 1, 2, 3. I ended up paying $650 a piece. So that's $1,950. I think I did my math right. For all 3. So these are already sold. Like I said, guys, I have a buyer who buys them, and you know, he gives me a set price to work with, like what he pays me for them. So I use that to get deals as far as you know, I try to get deals from my ads that I'm creating, and sometimes I go out and try to find deals based off what he's paying for those models. So everything went smoothly, and yeah, it's kind of late. I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, keep continuing to record, but I am gonna go to the gym in a little bit. Definitely have to go to the gym every single day. For anybody who cares, I go to the gym every day. You know, just because you know, days are sometimes stressful. Like I'm pretty stressed right now. You know, during the meetup, you know, I was doing all my checks. I was doing all my IMEI checks, all my carrier checks. You know, making sure it was, you know, if it was SIM locked or SIM unlocked, locked or unlocked. And crazy thing happened. You know, the site that I normally use, which is a good site, it was going slow. You know, things was happening, it was going slow. Usually it's pretty instant as far as the results. I submit the results, pay for them, and it literally took 45 minutes to process and to complete. So I'm pretty stressed right now as far as you know, just the time it took. It was way too long, but I waited it out. I got it finished, and that's why I'm going to the gym really soon, because I gotta relieve this stress, you know. And just, you know, just gotta keep yourself healthy. Obviously, you can't, you know, can't make good money and have a bad heart or have health issues. That doesn't make sense. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep recording, but I'll see you guys in the next clip if I do. All right, guys. So it's the next day. I literally just woke up. Got some work to do today. So today I gotta list those two phones that I not two phones, but I bought a phone last night, a 7 Plus, and I bought an Apple Watch Series 3 last night. So didn't get to list those last night. I was kind of busy. Was really tired. I fell asleep kind of early, but we have that to do. Then I gotta pay some bills. So I'll take you guys with me on that. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I do that. All right, so I just left this credit union place to pay my bill, and I'm gonna head over to Staples. I got to get some receipts, some sales receipts. So I'm gonna start doing some local sales. I do a lot of local sales as well, but for local sales, I'll just make it, you know, more professional by having a receipt and giving them a copy of the receipt. It just makes it, you know, more professional. I'm going to get a lot more phones in to sell locally, so I figure that's the best option to do, to just kind of make myself stand out from, you know, your average part-time flipper or whatever. So let me do that. Just want to give you guys a quick tip. So when you are posting, whatever you're posting on Craigslist or whatever, being specific is important. If you want, you know, if you are looking for certain phones, that's important. If you just say I buy phones, you're gonna get a lot of crappy phones. You're gonna get some good phones. You know, you just don't want to waste your time with the crappy ones. So what I've been doing, I'm in the market right now for brand new sealed phones. So brand new, never been used, never been activated phones, and there's a good market for that right now, you know. So I've been dealing with my buyer, my main buyer, who he buys only brand new or open box, meaning the seal's been off the phone, but the phone has never been activated. So he deals with that. He deals in quantity. You know, he's picking up you know, thousands of units a week from just people who ship them to him. So he's a big time buyer, and he's in the market for brand new phones, and he's paying top dollar for them. So I figure, you know, I have my regular ads as far as, you know, I buy used cracked phones, but now I'm starting to get more into the ads of saying I buy brand new phones, never been used phones, and people, you know, see that, and then they only come to me with those with what I want. So I do still get, you know, the crappy ZTE phones or whatever, but at the same time, the more I'm putting out these brand new ads, like brand new phone ads, the more I'm getting brand new phones. So I'm actually planning to pick up 2 more today. I just landed a deal with 2 different people. A lady has a brand new one, and a guy has a brand new one. So that's a quick tip for you guys. If you guys are, you know, people who want to just focus on one specific phone, as far as iPhones or Galaxies, then just be specific in your ad, and you know, it should help out. So I'm gonna take care of this Staples trip, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys. So I just finished packaging up all of the phones to be shipped off today. I just listed the Apple Watch and the 7 Plus on eBay. I still have to list an iPhone X on Swappa that I'm trying to sell. And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys with me on the post office trip and some other things I got to get done. So for now, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the office, as far as, you know, I guess how it looks. I didn't clean it up at all, so stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little brief tour. So all this stuff is just placed somewhere. I just like to throw stuff everywhere. Kind of dirty, so bear with me. So there you go. There's some of the packing stuff. Bowl mail that I use. Paper that's just on the ground. There's some phones, the printer's on the ground. Let's see, there's my computer. This is where I do all my stuff. Some of the packages that I got, you know, like I said, everything is just placed everywhere. Some dollars, I don't know where that came from. Another iPhone X. Here's those boxes. I have no idea. And then you guys can see it is pretty dirty. There's a bunch of random stuff there. And you look down more, those are some brand new phones that's going to be shipped off in that box. And then this right here are the boxes. They're empty boxes that I use. Sometimes I reuse them, you know, to try to bring the value up on the phone. So, and lastly, I'll show you guys my dog. There you go. This is the dog that's barking all the time in my videos. Elo. He doesn't really care enough right now. I'll show you guys a good picture of him. There he goes. And yeah, so that's the quick tour. Again, it's not the best looking office, but you know, I get things done in here, so that's all that matters. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? It is a new day, March 14th, Wednesday. Last night I kind of forgot to record, and not much went on anyway. I kind of was supposed to meet somebody at a McDonald's last night, but they messaged me and said they can't. So good thing I didn't record that anyway. But anyways, just decided to make this video to kind of conclude the vlog. Hopefully you guys, you know, enjoyed it. You know, I'm still learning how to do this video editing stuff and learning to remember to actually record myself doing things. I'm not used to that, so bear with me. You know, this is a vlog that's went on for 3 days, so bear with me. You know, if you do like the video, if you like this kind of content, then show some love and drop a like on the video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Lastly, if you have some ideas that you want me to do as far as vlogging or different business ideas and topics, then feel free to comment them down below. I'm always open to new ideas. I'm just trying to get this channel, you know, up and running as far as diversity and, you know, not just sticking to phone flipping. You know, I want to just be able to teach you guys as much as I know. So just, you know, drop some ideas and I'll consider them. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.